company was established in 2011, and in fact, this month it was actually their 10th year anniversary. Now, the factory alone, the floor area is actually around 16,000 square meters. Now, they mainly produce, I'm going to categorize this in 3 categories, all right? Let's start with the indoor series. So they mainly produce trampoline parks, indoor playground, outdoor playground, which is under now this time with the outdoor series, the outdoor playground, swing, seesaw, spring rider, rocking horse, a climbing frame, and then the other category is the site amenity series, which are the outdoor fitness equipment and park bench, among many others. Now, they mainly produce or they mainly export to the markets such as EU or Europe, Southeast Asia, North America, and South America, among many other regions around the world. I want to show you here, for example, what I have here actually is their EN1176, 1, 3, and 10, right? They got the certification. And also, they have their ISO 9001 certification in 2015. Now we're in one of their workshops, and of course, they follow standard production process and strict quality management systems. Now, behind me is actually one of their welding facilities, and what they do is all the metal work is being done from this workshop. Now, I just want to mention that the workshops have about 12,000 square meters. They have around 50 workers here. And this area alone consists of the cutting area, the welding area, which is beside me, and then the customized production area, color powder coating area, woodworking area, sewing area, packaging area, all these different workshops all in this facility or factory alone from Liben Group Corporation. Now, the production equipment that they do have covers from, they have 3 sets of CNC cutting machines, they have 4 sets of electric cutting machines, they have 12 sets of welding machines, they have color powder coating production line, 2 sets of sewing machines, 10 sets of sewing machines, 1 set roto or rotating molding machine, and weaving machines. All right, on their workshop, actually, they have this quality inspection area. And actually, I have my friend over here. What he's doing specifically, he's randomly checking on all the products that are here to match the requirements of their clients or customers. So what he's doing right now, actually, he's using ultrasound technology. All right, and he's a coupling agent. What he's doing right now is he's using ultrasound technology to check the thickness of this specific pipe. He needs to check the thickness of the pipe based on the customer or client's requirements and also the government's standard. All right, so I'm in one of their offices right now, and it's the research and development. Now, behind me are just some of the few that actually have 22 designers. These are very talented. They're tenure. We're talking about years and years of experience in this line of business. Now, they are the ones who's responsible in developing new designs, developing new concepts for these type of products.